So here we are in the presence of this grand instrument that's called the horn antenna. This is on the top of a hill called the Crawford Hill, which is in the town of Holmdel in the state of New Jersey. It was on this antenna that in 1964, two astronomers by the name of Arno Penzias and Bob Wilson made a discovery that allowed humanity to directly experience the light that comes from the explosive origin of our universe, what we call the Big Bang. This idea that our universe started with an explosion actually dates back to the 1920s, when Edwin Hubble discovered that our universe was expanding. However, this idea remained controversial for almost 40 years because scientists were not willing to accept that our universe had a finite origin. It wasn't until this discovery where we were actually able to detect the light that originated from the beginning of the universe. It was then that the debate was finally over. And people started to recognize that our universe indeed did start 14 billion years ago with a Big Bang. So the light that came from the Big Bang is still moving through the universe. And because of the expansion, its wavelength has stretched to the point where it's not visible to us through our eyes. However, with this instrument, we can detect that light. And that was the whole idea of building this instrument. However, this discovery was very much an accident. The people that were working on this antenna were actually trying to experiment with the first communication satellites. And as they were doing that, they were coming across a noise that they could not get rid of. And it was with consulting with other scientists that they finally discovered that this noise was nothing more than the light from the beginning of the universe. When I come to visit this place, when I'm in the presence of this huge antenna, I feel as if I am connected with the origin of the universe, because to me this is the conduit that connects humanity to how the whole universe originated. So when I'm here, I feel the same kind of sanctity and reverence for this instrument that perhaps some people feel when they go to the hill on which Moses received the 10 Commandments, or perhaps when people go to visit the Bodhi tree where the Buddha received his enlightenment. I feel that if people realize that they are being constantly bathed in the light from the origin of our universe, perhaps they will start to understand that that message has significance for us, and it has significance for the future of humanity. That's why I think this is a very special place to visit. Thank you very much.